Hello guys, so today I'll show you how can we have uh, 7 holes at the back, from partition to back and from and ends to back. So as you can see here, so this pink one is our back, and you can see I have, and this is our this is end left, end right, and these are the partitions, and this is our back. So I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 holes at the back. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and again 7 holes from the ends. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, like this. Okay, so generally we have four holes only as preset in the mosaic, but I'll show you how can we have add more holes. Okay, without wasting further time, just let's get started. So as we see that here, we don't have any fasteners after we select this product here. So I have set all fasteners none, therefore I don't have any fastener here. You can see no screw holes here. What I want 4 screw holes at the partition back, as well as here, uh, this UN2 back. So what we can do, actually I have made some fasteners by going to here, hardware, and then fasteners. We have some pre-templates of fasteners here, scad screws. So what I did, I add some extra. If you can go here and see the partition here, so partition to back. Okay, so what I have, one from top one at the distance of 50 millimeter, from bottom at the distance of 50 millimeter, another hole. Now I had this formula from bottom, this one part L minus 100 divided by 3 plus 50, and similarly from top, this for the joints greater than 2000. Okay, and now for the ends, we have end to back, same 50 mil from the top, 50 mil from the bottom, and this formula from the top. Okay, and another fourth one from the bottom. Actually we have a limitation of to put maximum 4 holes only at one time in one fastener, but what if we want to have more than 4 holes? For that we need to put we need to make 2 templates like that and place. So let's try this one. I'll just select this and we'll place here as a fastener 1. So it was this template. Okay, now you can see we have 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 holes. Okay, so now again, as I said, that we can have max 4 holes at one time in one template. So if I want to place some more holes here in between, 1 2 3, then I'll have to make another template and place here as a joint fastener 2. So let's check that template. I have already made that. but we will check what values are there. So it is this one. If we can check partition to back, no, and to back, from center 1, from center this formula, okay, and again from center this formula, and fourth do not use. So we are using 3 more holes for end to back. So let's check that. And so we already have 4 holes and we are going to have 7 more holes. Okay, so for that I had this template, and let's check. We have end to back the same settings. From center first is 0, second this one, from center part L minus 100 by 5 plus, this is the formula. Okay, and again for third hole from center this one, and fourth do not use. So if I place this fastener template here as a joint fastener 2, I will be having 7 holes from end to back. Okay, but I want the same thing to the partition to back. So I will go here to the partition. I'll check partition to back. I should have for is a from center 0. Second, I should have the same formula that I just copied from the or you can just go click here, copy from, and just copy from end to back, and all settings of that will be copied. Okay, and third this formula, and fourth do not use. Okay, now I'll save it, click OK. Okay, see, okay, so at present we have only, if I select this product, we have only this template applied, and this template was having 4 holes, 1 2 3 4, and same here at this 1 2 3, and here 4. Okay, now I'll select that another template that is having 3 more holes, and it was this. Okay, I'll select this. Now you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now we have total 7 holes from the partition to back, and also we have 7 holes from the end to, I can show you here. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so in this way, though there is a limitation of 4 holes, we can have more holes by using those formulas and having 2 templates at a time, and we can place those templates here as a joint fastener 1, joint fastener 2. Okay, you can use here also, no problem, but that both should be applied at the same time with the selected product. Then we can have those 8 holes. Hope this makes sense. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like and share, and please don't forget to comment. Thanks. If you like this video, please subscribe, press the bell icon to get the instant notifications of the upload. I'll keep uploading trainings, tutorials, videos for the CAD packages. So keep watching. Stay tuned. Thank you.